So this is our garage, or should I say better, this is Rokas's garage, and I came here because I want to open for the first time after the almost full year. I want to open our teardrop camping trailer and see how it looks like inside. I already forgot how did we leave it from last summer. Soon we are going to travel again, and I still have to probably wash something. Most likely I have to wash something. I hope that we didn't get mold anywhere in the bedroom area. I'm just going to check how it looks like. By the way, this is our trailer, that kind of teardrop trailer. Yeah, here on the front part is a kitchen, and from the side, each side are a door to open and to go in the bedroom. And here on the top of the trailer, Rokas put that Quechua rooftop tent, where is Eric's bedroom. So I have just a small pathway here. This is the thing when the ground is not even, so to level it properly. Here, please. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay, smell is not bad. It feels like it was closed. Rokas made it like this. Okay, I don't see anything special for the first time. Oh, look at this beautiful pear. And I got it from our neighbors. It was more has to be charged, and then you just pick it up and it starts like lighting. Okay. This is my pillow. Yeah, this is my ex pillow. This is my ex pillow. And then we have one more pillow, and also one more for 3 of us. Big bedroom pillow. Look at here, ginger. My voice. Okay, it's too dark. So here's the radio, but we don't listen to the radio. What we do, we get here this holder that is tablet holder. So here we last time we watched that. Okay, so these are some things. I think I ordered this from Temu, and I never used. This is like an iron, and then together with that you get like a glove, so you can iron. And this, guess what is this? This is also something from Temu, some innovation. So this is actually a washing machine. Well, to be a washing machine. Together with that, we have to have a pot also, and then we put this device in the pot. It has to be charged, or like it can be charging. I'm not sure. I'm not certain. But this goes in the water, and then it spins water around, yeah. And then we put the clothes. I was just like that time thinking to wash baby clothes to see how it works, but I think I didn't even use it, so I didn't. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's good or not, because I didn't try. But that's in the theory. You put it in a water in a pot, and then that spins that few pieces of clothes that you have for I don't know how many minutes, and then after that it's washed. Probably you can have one more circle if you want, one more round with just clean water. If the first water was, for example, with a detergent, and then you want to rinse it, maybe you can do one more circle. But I know that I bought a pot for that also. Yes, here is the pot also. So this is a foldable pot. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put everything back. I am going to take with me these 3 big pillows and one duvet that I also found here. And since this one duvet is kind of light, I'm going to check if I can wash it in the washing machine or not, or just to leave to ventilate it a little bit. And what else? Yeah, I will take with me pillows also in the house. And at the moment now I'm not going to clean anything here, but I will start with that very soon.